Headaches can range from mild to severe and can be caused by various factors such as tension, stress, eye strain, dehydration, sinus problems, and more. Here are some of the most painful types of headaches. Migraines. Migraines are a type of headache characterized by intense, throbbing pain on one side of the head. They can also be accompanied by other symptoms such as nausea, vomiting, sensitivity to light and sound. Cluster headaches. Cluster headaches are rare but extremely painful headaches that occur in clusters. They are often referred to as suicide headaches due to their severity. The pain is usually focused around one eye and is accompanied by other symptoms such as nasal congestion, tearing, and redness of the eye. Tension headaches. Tension headaches are the most common type of headache and are caused by muscle contractions in the neck, scalp, and jaw. They can cause a constant, dull ache or pressure on both sides of the head.